Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will be delving deep into the QQQ ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a potential investment opportunity, giving it a score of 4.35. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. QQQ has shown a commendable gain of 9.19%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.33% since it was flagged as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently positioned within a strong and upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 12.73% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 8.96% to 14.36%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 36.19% change over the next year, with a potential return between 19.03% and 37.84%. This corresponds to a price range of $515.65 to $597.14 after 12 months. Our latest update for the QQQ Exchange Traded Fund, ETF, brings good news. It has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to a buy candidate after the Wednesday trading session. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, February 14, 2024, the price of the QQQ ETF increased by 1.09%, climbing from $428.55 to $433.22. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 1.11%, starting from a low of $428.88 and reaching a high of $433.64. It is worth noting that during the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 of them and has gained 3.9% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume decreased by 20 million shares on the last day, with a total of 44 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $19.02 billion. It is important to consider that a decrease in volume accompanied by higher prices can indicate a divergence and might serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $439.14, while the lowest price was $285.19. Currently, the price is 1.35% or $5.92 below the 52-week high of $439.14, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. Today, let's take a look at the signals for the QQQ ETF. Currently, there are mixed signals in the ETF. Last Friday, on February 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the ETF has fallen by -0.88%. Based on this, it seems like the ETF may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, it's not all bad news. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. This indicates potential upward movement. If the ETF experiences corrections and moves downwards, there will be some support at $432.36 and $417.82. However, if the ETF breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. As a result, it's important to keep a close eye on the ETF. Today, let's explore some other interesting signals that can help inform your trading decisions. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator is currently showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands, on the other hand, gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average also showed a sell signal 3 days ago. And the long-term moving average confirmed a sell signal 30 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to gain further insights. The short moving average provided a buy signal 28 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 71 days ago. And if we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 58 days ago. For more signals and detailed analysis, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ, which is an ETF, has a key support level at $428.55. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when it's being tested. The ETF generally exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. In fact, the ETF only had a $4.76 price difference between its high and low points yesterday, representing a 1.11% fluctuation. Looking at the past week, we see that the ETF has had an average daily volatility of 1.02%. Before we explore the optimal trading levels for QQQ, let's begin by discussing some essential fundamental data. First and foremost, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This vital metric measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could indicate a lower expectation for the company's future prospects or suggest that the stock is undervalued. This, in turn, may present a potential opportunity for buyers. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ stands at $435.34. If you currently don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering an entry. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a suitable level to explore for swing trading. On the flip side, QQQ encounters its first support level at $428.55. Should this support level hold, it could present an excellent opportunity for entering a position and expecting a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this particular ETF is set at $417.29, which represents a decline of 3.68%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, which translates to a lower level of risk involved. Additionally, a sell signal was detected from a pivot top approximately 3 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive trend, it seems that the current level of the QQQ ETF could be a buying opportunity. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of the ETF is overvalued. For Thursday, February 15th, we anticipate that the QQQ will open with a decrease of $1.31, starting at $431.91. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with risks, including the potential loss of money. To make informed decisions, it's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and share your opinion. What's your target for the ETF? Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Have a fantastic day from all of us here at Stock Invest.